Hello guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to add video chapters on YouTube that allows viewers to quickly navigate to a part of the video containing the answer to their questions. There are two ways to add chapters to a YouTube video. You can use the automatic chapters feature on the description box, or to do it manually. To do it manually, head to the channel board, click on content, click on the pencil icon down the video, and to add chapters, go to the description box and type 002.00 followed by the chapter's name. Next, add the subsequent time stamps and chapter names on each line, one after another. Here's how it should look. And after you finish, click save, and then you'll see the chapters as soon as you add them. If you don't, they might take up to 24 hours to reflect in the video. You may have made an error while entering the timestamps. Adding these chapters to new content is easy, but doing the same in the previously uploaded content could be tedious, and that's when the automatic chapters feature come to the rescue. But if you want YouTube to auto add chapters to your videos, go to channel dashboard, go to the content, hover over the video and click the pencil icon. Scroll down and click show more. After you scroll down further, find the allow automatic chapters and key moments option and select that option. But keep in mind that this feature isn't perfect, as it is an AI to create chapters. In our experience, it works great if a video contains a list of things, hence you may need to review the video after enabling it or iron out any anomalies. If you're thinking of starting a new video YouTube channel and uploading your first video, add chapters now to avoid the burden. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video helped you a lot.